Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Grafana Enterprise 12.0 on Linux Mint 22.1. Open any web browser, then go to Grafana official website grafana.com. Then click on Docs, then click on Grafana, then click on Setup, then click on Install Grafana. Then we have to select Debian or Ubuntu. Then scroll down. We are going to install by using this apt repository method. And see here we have the versions: Grafana Enterprise Beta, Grafana OSS, and Grafana Beta version. See, these are the commands that needs to be executed to install the Grafana latest version. And if you want to download Debian package and install, you have to go to this download package. But I am going to install by using this apt repository method. Okay. So open terminal, click on it, copy these commands one by one. See, it is going to install transport HTTPS software properties common and duplicate. So go to here, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. It is done, Ctrl A. Now import the GPG key. So create this directory and import the GPG key. Paste it, hit enter. Now copy the second line, entire line, paste it, hit enter. Then see, third step is for stable release and fourth step is for beta releases. So I want to install stable release. So copy the first one and paste it. See, this is the stable release. Okay, hit enter. See, for beta, here it is beta. Okay, so next, update the packages. Sudo apt update, hit enter. It is done. Now to install Grafana OSS, we have to run this command. To install Grafana Enterprise, we have to run this command. So Ctrl A, sudo apt install Grafana -enterprise. Hit enter. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. See, it is installing Grafana Enterprise version 12.0.2. See, we have successfully installed Grafana. First, we have to load this daemon. So copy this command, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now verify the status of the Grafana. Sudo systemctl grafana-server. Hit enter. I have to give the status flag. See, Grafana server is installed, but it is not started and enabled. Due to quit, so start it by running this command, or just give sudo systemctl start grafana-server. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, Grafana server is running. Okay, now enable it. Q to quit, Ctrl A, sudo systemctl enable Grafana-server. See, it is enabled. Verify. See, Grafana server is started and it is enabled. Q to quit. Now we will connect to Grafana. Go to this sign in button. See, this is the link to connect to Grafana. Port number is 3000 and default username and password is admin. Okay, go to NetApp, then go to localhost, then give the port number 3000, or you can give the host name. Instead of localhost, you can give host name or loopback IP, that is 127.0.0.1. Okay, that will come later. Hit enter. Now we have to provide the username and password. The default username is, see here again, see, default username and password is admin. Admin. Again give the password same, admin. Hit enter. Not now. See, now it is asking to continuing to use the default password exposes due to security risks. So if you want to set new password, you have to provide here, or if you want to skip, click on skip. So I want to set the password. Remember this password which is required to connect to Grafana later. Then click on submit. Now see, we have successfully connected to Grafana. See here, new option, drill down, metrics, logs, traces, profiles. And if you want to go to dashboards, see here we don't have any dashboard. Okay, if you want to connect, see here we have different data sources. Before creating data sources, go to administration, go to users and access. If you want to change the password of the current user, click on users. See here we have the admin, click on admin. Then you have to click on this edit for the password. Then you have to provide new password and you have to click on save. Okay, I'm not going to change. Then that is one way. Or you can click on the username and change password. Okay, both are same. Now, and if you want to create user, again go to users and access, create users, then click on new user to create. Okay, then you have to provide all the information. Now go to connections. Now we are going to create the connection for the MySQL and PostgreSQL. I have installed MySQL and PostgreSQL on Linux Mint 22.1. If you haven't, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install PostgreSQL and MySQL on Linux Mint operating systems. MySQL, then click on it. See, it is installed. Click on it. Now click on add new data source connection. See, we have to provide the connection name. I am giving MySQL connection. Name can be anything. Then come to this connections. Here we have to provide the host URL. Then database name. See, localhost 3306. So give that. If it is installed on some other one, then provide that one also. 3306 is the default password for the MySQL. Then I have a database bank. Then provide the username root, password, provide the password. Then come down, then click on save and test. See, database connection, okay. Now go to again data sources. See, here we have the one data source. If you want another like PostgreSQL, click on add, then search for PostgreSQL, then click on here Grafana PostgreSQL data source, it is fine. Then default port is 5432. Give the localhost, give the 5432. Database name, I have the same database here also. Then username Postgres, then provide the password of this Postgres user. Then come to here and click on save and test. See, database connection is okay. Now go to again data sources. See, here we have the two data sources. Now we can create the dashboards, like see here, build a dashboard or explore. Okay, we have different options. You can practice them. The last option that I am going to show you is, we will see what will happen if you stop the Grafana server. Stop, then Grafana-server, hit enter. Now verify whether it is stopped or not. See, Grafana server is stopped. Okay, now reload this page. See, unable to connect. Okay, to connect to Grafana, the Grafana server must be up and running. So start it again, Q to quit, Ctrl L, sudo systemctl, start Grafana -server, hit enter, verify the status. See, Grafana server started 2 seconds ago. Now reload this page. See, we have successfully connected. Now go to new tab. As I told you, this is by using localhost. We can also connect by using hostname. Q to quit, Ctrl A, hostname, copy this one. This is the hostname, copy this one. Then give hostname, give the port number 3000. Hit enter. See, we got the same login console. So username is admin. Then provide the password that we have set for this user. Then hit enter. See, we have successfully logged in. The other way is by using loopback IP 127.0.0.1, port number 3000. See, we got the same login console. Okay, the last option that I want to show you is, if you want to verify the version, just click on this question mark. See, here we have installed Grafana version 12.0.2. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure Grafana 12.0.2 on Linux Mint 22.1. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.